how to set a video wallpaper background on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Now there are two ways of doing this. You can do it directly on the lock screen or from settings. So if you're on the lock screen, touch and hold. Then you may need to verify it with a PIN or a password. After that, at the top here, tap on Wallpapers. Now go down to the Gallery section and tap on Video. In here, select the video that you would like to use. So I will select this video here and then tap on Done. Now because the video is very big, so it asks you to trim it down to 15 seconds or less. So tap on Trim here and then trim the video and select which section you would like to use in the video. Okay, after you are happy with your selection, tap on Done and then tap on Done at the top here. And that's it. So that is how you can set a video background for wallpapers on for the lock screen wallpaper. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.